All right, our first transaction is April 1st. We received cash of $15,000 and supplies valued at $4,000 from our partner Sophie Pavlov. Has an initial investment receipt 1. So our date will be April 1. Our account title will be supplies. Our document number will be R1, and it will be a debit of the $4,000. And then we will come over, and the cash that we got, so in cash debit is $15,000. And then we will have a second line with our partner's names. So Sophie Pavlov, comma, capital, and it will be a credit for the total amount, so $19,000. Then our second one, April 1st, received cash from partner Noah Mancini. Has an initial investment, $22,000. So we're still in our cash receipts journal, April 1st. So this time it will be Noah Mancini, comma, capital. Document number is R2, and it will be a general credit of $22,000 and a cash debit of $22,000. Then April 30th, our partner withdrew cash for personal use of $1,000. So that will go into our cash payments. So our date is April 30th. Account will be Sophie Pavlov, comma, drawing. Check number will be 18, and it will be a general debit of $1,000 and a cash credit of $1,000. Then our last transaction, April 30th, Noah Mancini withdrew supplies for personal use of $1,200. And so for that, we're going to come down to our general journal. Our date is April 30th. Account title will first be Noah Mancini, comma, drawing. The document number is M6, and it will be a debit of $1,200. And the second line, he withdrew supplies and a credit of $1,200. So there is our work together. Just check and see, and now you are ready to go and do the on your own.